Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem remove spaces. So first we would understand the question and then we would move forward to the code part. So let's do it. So basically we are solving the question remove spaces. So now in this question we would be given a string, okay? So we would be given a string, for example it is geeks space, okay, this is space for space geeks, okay. So this is the string that is given to us. Now what do we need to do is we need to remove the spaces. That means we need to remove this and this, okay. So basically my output should be geeks for geeks, okay, without any space. So this is what we have to do, and how we can do it, let's see that. So guys, what do we need to do is, first we would be using the split built-in feature of basically built-in function of Python. So what does it does? It breaks a given string into smaller parts. So basically if I have a string geeks for geeks, so what it would be doing is, it would break this into three parts. This is part number 1, this is part number 2, and this is part number 3. So first we would use the split function to break a given string, and then we would be using the join built-in function to join the three strings together, okay. So basically join would directly join these three strings together, and when we join these three strings together there would be no space, okay. So the first thing that we are doing is we are using the built-in function split to split the given string into smaller parts. Then we are using the join built-in function to join it together. So this is how we would be solving the question. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the code part. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. Then in the difficulty level, let me scroll down. In the difficulty level, you need to choose school, okay? So once you have chosen school, you need to find the problem, remove spaces, okay? Now, once you find it, you need to click on solve. So guys, this is the problem, given a string, remove spaces from it, okay? And we would code it over here. So now let's do it. So the first thing that, like we discussed is, we would be taking a variable, for example, result equal to, first I need to declare join, okay? So, join. Okay, now what do I need to join? I need to join a given string which is splitted. Okay, so what I would write it, I would write this, then S is the given string, dot. I have splitted this given string, right? So split. Then in the circular brackets, how did I split it? I split it according to the given spaces. Okay, so spaces. So basically what I've said is I need to join a given string S which is already splitted according to the spaces which is present, okay. Now the answer is stored in result, so I need to return with the result. So let me write return and then I need to write result, okay. So now this is done, so let's submit it, and before submitting it, let's click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not, and then we would submit it. So let me click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so the compilation is done and there is some error. So let me check the error. So 1 minute. I need to remove the space over here, okay? Because I do not want the spaces. I need to join it without any space, okay? So now let me click on compile and run again. Let's wait. Okay, so let me check if my output is matching. See, my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would click on submit. So let it submit. Okay, so see, the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the problem, remove spaces. So I hope you found this session helpful and you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Thank you.